Mumtaz. Okay. Okay, so today's موضوع اليوم. Okay, so موضوع اليوم appointment with the doctor. Okay, so موضوع اليوم appointment with doctor. Appoint word is, what is appoint word?
موعد.
موعد. Okay,
موعد.
موعد. Okay, so موعد is appointment. Okay, just a minute. موعد. موعد. So موعد is a موعد مع دكتور. Okay, موعد مع دكتور. Okay, so appointment with the doctor. Okay, so first of all we learn بعض مصطلحات وكلمات. So first of all, what is the first of all word is أولا. First of all أولا. Okay, so first of all is أولا. Okay, uh, نحن نحن نتعلم we learn. So نحن نتعلم بعض مصطلحات. Okay, بعض مصطلحات is term. بعض مصطلحات means term. Okay, بعض مصطلحات وبعض كلمات and بعض words. Okay, بعض كلمات. So بعض مصطلحات وبعض كلمات. Okay, so first is first word is what is the word is a hospital.
مستشفى.
Mustashfa. Okay, Mustashfa is a hospital. Okay, clinic.
عيادة.
Iyada. Okay, so Mustashfa is a hospital and Iyada is clinic. Mumtaz. Okay, now is a pharmacy.
صيدلية.
Okay, Saidaliya. Saidaliya. Mumtaz, Saidaliya. Okay, and pharmacist. Okay, what is a doctor? So doctor, what is you can say Duktur. Okay, Duktur, or you can say Tabib. Tabib. So Duktur or Tabib. Now is a nurse.
ممرضة.
Mumarrida. Okay, so nurse is Mumarrida. Okay, Mumarrida. So Mumarrida is nurse. Mumarrida. Patient.
मरीज. मरीज.
Marid. Patient is Marid. Okay, and disease. Any disease? Disease. Mard.
डिजीज.
Mard. Disease is
मर्द.
Mard. So Marad. Maraz or Maraz is disease. Maraz. Now, uh, is it Mari
इंजरी क्या होगी? इंजरी
injury?
अगर हो तो?
Oh, injury. Injury means jarh. Okay, jarha, jarha, jarha. Okay, jarha, or you can say just jarh. Jarh means injury. Okay, jarh, and jarh and pain. Pain word is
अलम.
alam.
अलम.
Alam is pain. Okay, and one more word is a wound. Okay, wound. So wound is with waja. So alam and waja you can say same waja. So wound and pain, waja. So jarh, alam and waja. Okay, so patient, maris, maras. Okay,
मेडिसिन क्या होगी? मेडिसिन.
medicine. Okay, so medicine is
या
dawa. Medicine is
दवाई.
dawa. Dawa is medicine, and you can say medicines. Okay, plural form, you can say adviya. Advi, adviya. Adviya is medicine. Okay, and other words you can say is uh, checking. Okay, you can it's a checking. Check checking. Word is fahas. Okay, fahas. Fahas is check.
ब्लड टेस्ट.
Okay, in this check is fahas. Fahas. Okay, Fahas is a okay. Doctor visit, and doctor visit is ziyara tabib. Ziyara Ziyara tabib. So doctor visit is ziyara tabib. Ziyara tabib. Okay. And prescription. And prescription what is here is a prescription is what is here is uh, suppose prescribed, and wasf is wasf. Wasf means prescription, and prescribed suppose, and prescribed medicine something is. So what is wasafa? Past wasafa, wasafa yasifu. Okay, wasafa yasifu is to prescribe, to prescribe. And here is what is fahasa. Fahasa yafhasu. Fahasa, fahasa yafhasu means to check. Okay, fahasa yafhasu. Fahasa yafhasu, to check. Okay, now is a some common diseases. Okay, some common diseases. Okay, amrad, amrad amma. Okay, one more word, specialist. Specialist word, what the specialist word is akhissai. Akhissai. A akhissa, akhissa, akhissai. Specialist is male. Suppose akhissai, suppose heart specialist, akhissai ghalb,
Qalb.
right? Akhissai ghalb, heart specialist. Okay, and suppose a female is specialist is akhissaiya, and suppose you was female doctor, you can say is a women disease. Okay, women disease specialist. Okay,
Imrazun Nisa.
nisa. Okay, amrad nisa. Akhissaiya, أخصائية أمراض للنساء. أمراض النساء أو لأمراض النساء أخصائية. So أخصائي قلب، أخصائية، أخصائية لأمراض الأطفال، أخصائية لأمراض النساء. Okay, and لأمراض النساء you can say uh, what is a uh, in special word is a gynec. Okay, you can say gynec also. Yes,
Gynecology.
gynec also. Akhissaya. Now is a common disease. Okay, amraz amma. So amraz amma is common diseases. So amraz amma. Okay, and a very common disease is what is suppose is a fever. And fever word is you can say humma. Humma is fever. Okay, humma is fever. Now one more common is humma is fever, and you can say is headache. And headache word is a suda. Suda. Suda means headache. Okay, suda means, and migraine. Sir is suppose is a uh, so is a revolving. So suda and migraine is a, you can say is a duar. Migraine is duar. Duar. Okay, humma, suda, duar, and one more common word is a duar, and you can say cold. Okay, and cold you can say same word is zukam. Cold,
Ka.
zukam, zukam. Okay, zukam. Actually, zukam is a cough. Sorry, cough. Zukam is cough, and cold is okay. Cold. What?
Sa'al.
Yes. What?
Sa'al. Sa'al.
Fa,
Is'al है.
faal. No, no. Zukam. You
ठीक
can
है.
say cold. Cold is nazla. Simple. Nazla. Nazla.
हम्म.
Nazla is okay. Zukam. So zukam is cough, and nazla okay is a cold. Okay, and one more word is zukam and nazla and diarrhea. And diarrhea word is ashal. Ashal
Is'al.
is diarrhea. Ishal. So ishal is diarrhea. Okay, these are common diseases. Okay, yes, just now is a conversate. Okay, and conversate. Okay, now is a let's talk about doctor appointments. So now let's talk about, okay, yalla, yalla, yalla natakallam. Let's talk about yalla natakallam. Yalla. So yalla natakallam an maw'id, الموعد مع دكتور. الموعد مع دكتور. الموعد مع دكتور. Okay. So tomorrow I have an appointment with doctor. How to say? كيف بقول؟ Tomorrow I have an appointment.
عندي موعد مع دكتورة بكرة.
بكرة. Okay. So you can say بكرة first. Okay. بكرة بكرة in the موعد. بكرة in the موعد مع دكتور. Okay. مع دكتورة. Okay. So مع دكتورة. بكرة in the مع دكتورة. And how to say what is what happened to you? What happened? So simple is a simple question. Okay. Is a سؤال عام. Okay. سؤال بسيط. What is a simple question? And here is what is سؤال بسيط. سؤال is a simple question is سؤال بسيط. Simple question in بسيط is what is simple. سؤال بسيط. سؤال بسيط. Simple question. Okay. What happened to you? What happened? What happened to you addressing male, and what happened to you addressing female? What happened? Simple question. What happened?
It's صار.
What happened? Okay, so what happened is a very common expression is what happened. Say here is word say ash 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 ashar ashar ash means ashar. Okay, so ash you can say shoe also, shoe or ash or ash. Okay, ash. But for this sentence, this is suitable. Ashar. Okay. So simple say Ashar and happened to you. What happened to you? And to you what say, not mark say addressing say big. Big. So don't say big, don't say but you just add yeah also big. Ashar big. Ashar big and addressing female. Ashar biki. Ashar biki. Okay, so here I am writing. Okay, aktubhina aktubhina jumlatain. Okay, itnain jumla or jumlatain, both sentence. So addressing male. Ashar ashar bik. Ashar bik. Ashar bik addressing male. Ashar bik and addressing female. Ashar 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 biki. Ashar biki. Ashar biki. तो ashar or ashar biki. Ashar beak or ashar biki. Okay, so and here is also is a literal word, but literal word no one use. Mahadas lak. Mahadas, a very literal word. Mahadas lak. Okay, so very literal word. You can use sometime. Maybe someone you can use mahadas lak. Mahadas lak or mahadas lik. So mahadas lak or mahadas lik. Okay, but I had many times this word. Okay, ashar beak or ashar biki. ashar biki. Okay, Sayyidi Shafiq is now repeat it. Takarrar ashar beak. Ashar beak. Adjective female. Ashar biki. ashar beak ya sayyidi. ashar beak ya ya habibi. ashar beak ya sadiki. ashar beak ya zamili, colleague. Okay, ashar ya bunayya, son. Okay, ibni and most common way is you can say bunayya bintayya. Bunayya ibni and bunayya. So say bunayya is very common spoken, and binti say bintayya. So ashar ya bunayya or ashar ya bintayya. ashar ya bunayya or ashar ya bintayya. Okay, ashar ya sadiki ya sayyidi. Ashar or ashar bi. Okay, what happened to you? Yes, now describe. Okay, what happened to you? Suppose how to say, yeah, what do you want to say? What do you want to say? Ashar, Sayyidi Shafiq, ashar beak.
हेडेक क्या कहता है?
Headache.
Ana
Headache
fi
is
sadda.
Suda. Okay. So
Suda.
Anafi,
Ana fi
yeah.
suda.
So I have Anafi Suda. Okay. So very common expression. Ana fi Suda. Anafi Suda. I have headache. Okay. Anafi Suda. Anafi Suda. Anafi Suda. But Arab says always like this way. I am suffering. I am suffering. Yeah, I am suffering from headache. From headache. So this word. Suppose I am suffering, or I have in this way, not in this way. An Arabic phrase is I am suffering. Suppose here is what is use this word. Okay. Ana musab. Ana musab. And after musab use always be. Ana musab be suda in this way.
Ana musab bi suda.
Okay. If you say if you say ana fi suda, okay, is understandable. So understandable. So someone is understand. Okay. So understandable. But is a musab word is I am suffering in this way. Okay. So in Arabic phrase say ana musab and bi humma and bi suda, any endis, bi nazala, bi zukam, ana musab. Suppose I am female, so I would say ana musaba. Ana musaba. Ana musaba. So ana musab bi suda, and he is headache. So he is down with headache. How to say? Yeah, he is suffering from headache. He is.
Yusaba.
No, musab is not change. Who are musab? Simple.
Huwa Musab.
It's
Huwa
not change.
Musab.
Musab is not change. Okay. Musab لا تغير. What is he? Okay. He is also is a common phrase. Use it. لا تغير. يت لا يتغير. لا يتغير means it does not change. لا يتغير. So see, but how to pronounce this? Okay. So is ya is remove and direct say لا تغير. لا تغير. لا تغير. So لا تغير. Don't say لا تغير. لا تغير. Join together. لا تغير. So لا تغير. مصاب لا تغير. مصاب لا تغير. So مصاب لا تغير. Okay. So he is down with fever or with headache, and he is suffering from headache.
Huwa Musab.
هو مصاب بصداع. And she is suffering from headache.
Hiya musaba bi suda.
بصداع. Simple. Simple. Okay. هي مصابة بصداع. And boss is down with fever. هم
Mudir.
المدير
Mudir musab bi suda.
तो اليوم. So اليوم suppose is a common expression is a boss is not well today, and someone asked what happened to him. Okay, yes, boss is not well today.
Al-yawm mudir musab bi suda.
No, not this.
No.
Today is boss is not well. Today boss is not well.
Mudir.
Not well.
Not feeling.
Not well.
Yeah.
Well means good. Not good. Not well. Not good.
Mafi quiz.
Mafi kois. Simple. Mafi kois. Mafi tayyib. Mafi zain. Simple. Not well. Mafi tayyib. Mafi kois. So اليوم مدير mafi tayyib. اليوم مدير mafi kois. And someone asked what happened to him. How to say what happened to him?
Atsar bi.
Ashar bih. Mumtaz. Ashar bih or bih. Okay. Is a also signing. Ashar. Ash. Sar. Bih. Bih or other sound you can say beh. Beh is very common Arabic. Latina Arabic you can say is Syrian and some Lebanon is beh. Beh. Teh. Beh. Ashar beh. What happened to him? Ashar beh. Okay. Yes, Shafiq. Ashar beh. Okay. So just describe. Okay. Ashar beh.
Huwa musab bi suda.
Musab. Huwa musab bisuda. Huwa musab
Huwa musab bi suda.
Huwa musab bisuda. Huwa musab bisuda. Okay. Huwa musab bisuda. Okay. Mumtaz. Okay, so I have an appointment with doctor in the Mawid Maduktur and ask someone, okay, what happened to you? Ashar bik or Ashar biki, I have or I am suffering ana musab bisuda. Okay, so did you take medicine? Did you take medicine? How to say? Did you take medicine?
अकिलती दवा
Okay, so did you eat medicine? Okay, maybe eat, maybe take. Yes, correct. Ha, akalti, akalt al dawa, or akalti al dawa, or akhast al dawa, or akhasti. Okay, both you can say both. Okay, so did you take medicine? So you can say first, or did you eat medicine? So you just don't say hal. Okay, so no need to say hal. Direct akalt and question mark. Okay, akalt. Sorry, akalt. Akalt and question mark word is akalt al dawa. So akalt al dawa and question mark akalt al dawa, or for female akalti al dawa. So akalti ad dawa, akalti ad dawa, akalti ad dawa. So akalti ad dawa, akalt ad dawa, or akalti ad dawa, or you can say akhast also. Okay, akhast is took. Okay, akhast ad dawa, akhast ad dawa. So akhast ad dawa or akhasti ad dawa, akhasti ti. Okay, so yes, akalt ad dawa or akhasti ad dawa.
ला
La, la, bis I am going to pharmacy to buy medicine. Yes.
बनारू इला
Mhm.
सैदिलिया
Sedalia
लिस्टर
list,
लिस्टर मेडिसन
li istari, li istari
History.
dawa,
दवा
to buy medicine. Li istari dawa, li istari dawa. Mumtaz. Okay, mumtaz. Okay, li istari dawa, and you can say is a I ate a Panadol. Okay, and here is what is a hubub. Okay, hub and hubub is tablet. Hub and hubub is tablet. Hub and hubub, and you can say kabsula. Okay, kabsula, kabsula. Okay, so I ate Panadol. How to say?
Akil
Akalt,
hub Panadol.
akalt, akalt,
Akal.
akalt.
Akal hub Panadol.
أكلت حب أوكي أكلت حب بنادول أوكي يا يا أكلت كبسولة بنادول أكلت كبسولة بنادول يا أكلت حب بنادول okay ممتاز okay and how to say get well soon and may Allah cure you, may Allah
शफाकिल्ला
cure you. Yeah, yes, shafakallah. Okay,
शफाकिल्ला
yes, address email. Yes, address email is shafakallah. Okay, get well soon. So here is a meaningful word is shafakallah. Okay, so shafakallah, address email shafakallah, addressing female shafakillah.
शफाकिल्ला
Okay, and may Allah cure him. How to say? Shafa.
शफा
Mhm.
किल्ला
Shafahulla. Shafahulla.
हुल्ला
And may Allah cure her.
शफा हुल्ला
Shafa Halla. Shafa Halla.
हुल्ला और
Hulla
शफा
is
हुल्ला
yeah, is him. May Allah cure him and may Allah cure her. So Shafahulla and Shafa Halla. Mumtaz, Shafa Allah. And may Allah cure him soon. Soon what?
करीबन
Qariban. Okay. So may Allah cure him Qariban. Okay, Qariban. And immediate you can say may Allah cure him immediate. Okay, so immediate word is you can say shafahullah and shafakallah qariban, or you can say ajilan, or is it ajilan shafakallah ajilan, shafakallah qariban or shafakallah ajilan, immediate. Okay, shafakallah qariban or shafakallah ajilan. So ajilan is immediately. So ajilan. Okay, okay, so Yes. So yes, أنا موعد مع دكتور بكرة. Okay. شو الشاربيك or شاربيكي, and your answer you answer is what is you answered what is رددت or رددتي. Okay. You replied. Okay. How to say what is it? You replied رددتي. ردد رددتي. Female رددتي. So رددتي. Okay. رددتي. You replied. Okay. And you replied male is radat. Radat is male is radat. Okay. So radatti or radat. You replied radat and radatti. Radat and radatti. Okay. And what is the word is you replied and you answered. Okay. And you answered what is ajabt. Ajabt. Ajabt means you answered. Ajabt. Ajabt. Or you answered ajabti. 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 Ajabt, you answered. Ajabti, you answered female. Radat, radat, you replied. Radatti, you replied female. Okay, and you responded. What is the word responded word? Istajabt, right? Is
Istajab.
istajabt. And istajabt, you responded. And you responded female, istajabti. Okay, so you can say, okay, this is a format. Okay, you can say istajabti or istajabti. You can say radat, radatti, or you can say ajabta, ajabti. Ajabt, ajabti. You answered. Okay, and you answered ana ro bukra ana bukra indi mawid ma doktor. Okay, ma doktor. Okay, second day. Second day. Okay, yeah, next day. Sorry, next day. Yom Tali. Next day. Yom Tali. Next day. Yom Tali. Next day Yom Tali. Okay, so next day Yom Tali. Okay, I uh, I met you, or I met you. Shuftak. I met you means I saw you. I saw you. Shuft. Shuftak. Right? Shuftak. Yom Tali. Shuftak. Shuftak. I saw you. I saw you. I met you. Okay. Okay. So Shuftak. Shuftak and asked. And asked. Okay. Was
Altak.
Sa'altak. Shuftak saw you, wasa'altak, and asked you, wasa'altak. Wasa'altak, wasa'altak, or wasa'altak, or wasa'altik. Wasa'altak. Okay. Now, did you visit doctor? How to say? Did you visit doctor?
Zurti. Daktura.
Zurti doktora. Zurti doktora. Zurti doktora. Okay. Zurti doktora. Mumtaz. Sayyid Shafiq. Okay. So, did did she check you? How to say? Did she check you? Check what is fahasa yafhas? Did she check you?
فحصت
Fahasat.
لك.
Fahasat.
فحصت.
ممتاز. Fahasat. Fahasat. Okay. Fahasat. Okay. Fahasat. Fahasat. Okay. Faha.
فحصت.
Faha
Ah,
and sat. Okay. Faha sat. Fahasat. Okay. Faha, or you can say fahasa, and just you can say uh, this also fahasatak, or you can say fahasat lak, but you can say lak also, but here is correct word is fahasatak. Faha
فحصتك.
fahasatak. Fahasatik. So fahasatak and fahasatik. Okay. Fahasatak. Okay, okay. Sayyid Shafiq, fahasatak. Fahasatak.
أيوة فحصتك.
Aywa
فحصت.
fahasatni. Aywa
فحصت.
fahasatni.
فحصتني.
Aywa
فحصتني.
fahasatni. Okay.
فحصتني.
And here is what is fahasatni. Okay. And she checked me. Fahasatni. Fahasatak. Fahasatak. Fahasatni. Fahasatni. Yes, she checked me. Fahasatni. Okay. Shinu fahasatni. Aywa mumtaz. Shinu hiya galat. Shinu hiya galat. What did she say? What did she say? اوكي شنو هي غلط؟ غلط شنو هي غلط؟ غلط شنو غلط؟ اوكي شنو غلط؟ شنو غلط؟
شنو غلط؟
Mhm. what did she what did she say؟ شنو غلط؟ say she said ما في مشكل just a light fever, okay, just take this medicine, okay, inshallah will you cure. Okay, she said no problem. She said no problem.
ما في مشكل.
Okay, so she said
He
She said.
said
هي
قلت
قلت
قلتي.
no
قلتي.
no kulti, no kulti.
هي قلت.
No, هي غلط. No, غلط. See,
غلط.
قالت.
غلط.
غلط.
Okay,
قالت.
male is قال.
قالت.
male is قال.
قال.
قال and قالت. قال and قالت. هي غلط. قلتي means you said, right? قلتي means you said, second person. But she is third person, right? هي غلط. يعني هي غلط. Okay, so دكتورة
अगर मेल होगा तो हुआ
قال.
قال.
هو غال.
हुआ
هو
قال.
قال.
هو غال. Okay, هو غال. And she checked me and said, how to say, simple question. She checked me and said,
فحستني.
فحصتني
فحستني.
فحصتني
وقالت.
وغلط. فحصتني
وقالت.
وغلط.
وغلط.
فحصتني
غلط.
وغلط. فحصتني وغلط. فحصتني وغلط. Okay, don't worry, don't worry, no problem, don't worry. Don't worry word is لا تقلق. Okay, okay.
لا تقليد.
لا تقلق. لا تقلق. Don't worry. لا تقلق. لا تقلق. And for female, aggressive female, لا تقلقي. لا تقلقي. لا تقلقي. لا تقلق. لا تقلقي. لا تقلق. Don't worry. Okay. One more word, one more phrase. Don't worry. Just you can use it. Okay. This is also very common. لا يهمك. لا يهمك. Okay. لا يهمك actually means لا يهمك means it is doesn't matter. It is doesn't actually means it doesn't matter for you. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, so لا يهمك and لا يهمك and لا يهمك, male and female. لا يهمك. لا يهمك. لا يهمك or لا يهمك. Okay, so you can use both لا تقلق or لا تقلقي or لا يهمك or لا يهمك. لا يهمك يا سيدة, لا تقلق يا سيدة, and لا تقلق يا سيدي. Okay, لا تقلق يا صديقي, يا سيدي, يا حبيبي. Okay, so هي قالت هي فحصتني. هي فحصتني وغلط, and she said don't worry, لا تقلق, no problem.
لا تقلق.
no problem.
ما في مشكلة.
ما في مشكل. ما في مشكل. Okay, I prescribe this medicine. How to say I prescribe this medicine. كيف قول
أنا
I prescribe this medicine.
وصف.
Mhm.
وصف.
wasif.
هذا
Okay. See, so wasif word is wasafa. Yes, correct. Wasafa is mazi and yasif. Okay, so first person asif.
الصف.
أصف.
Asif means I prescribe. Asif. Okay, so I prescribe this medicine.
أصفي. أصف.
Asif. Okay.
هذا الأدويات.
Adviya, not adviya, not adviyat. So I prescribe for you.
لك.
Say full sentence.
آصف. آصف لك
لك.
هذا الدواء.
هذا الدواء or hazi adviyat. Hazi, actually dawa word is a dawa word is dawa. See, the is hamza. Actually any words ends with the alif hamza is also considered is feminine. Okay, you can say hadi dawa. Hadi dawa. Hadi dawa. Okay, so just say I prescribe for you these medicine. Okay, and buy from the pharmacy, okay, and just eat 3 days and inshallah will you okay. Yes, okay, so I prescribe for you these medicine.
आसिफ हादी
asif
दवा
asif
हादी
asif lak
दवा
hadi, asif lak hadi
हाँ,
dawa
आसिफ
or
लक
asif
हादी
lik.
दवा
Okay, buy
हादी
from the pharmacy.
Ishtar means
Ishtari,
Sadiya.
simple ishtari.
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 Ishtari means Sadiya.
Ishtari means sadariya, and take it or and eat it 3 days.
Akil hada liyom talata.
اليوم 3 أكل هذا هذه أكل هذه لثلاثة لثلاث أيام
Yom.
لأيام
Talata
गलत
yam.
आई
لثلاث لثلاث أيام for 3 days لثلاث أيام inshallah you will be okay. And here is a you will be okay, you can say hatkun is what is hatkun. What is the word is satakun, right? You will be okay. Satkun.
Sakul.
Satkun, you can say hatkun, okay? And here is a sound is hatkun. So actually sound is satakun. You will be okay, fine. Satakun. Satakun. Satakun kois or zain or tayyib, okay? Satakun tayyib kois, inshallah, okay? Satakun, but you can say hatkun also. Hatkun. Hatkun. So satkun or hatkun. Hatkun kois, inshallah. Hatkun طيب ان شاء الله. So ستكون or هتكون. And also doctor said غلط دكتورة get well soon. How to say شفا
Shafakallah.
شفاك الله
Qariban.
قريبا and شفاك الله عاجلا شفاك الله عاجلا
आज
شفا عاجلا شفاك الله قريبا شفاك الله عاجلا شفاك الله شفاك الله عاجلا او قريبا. So ستكون كويس ان شاء الله or هتكون كويس ان شاء الله. Okay, yes. And next is any precaution, or suppose any precaution what is in
Ihtizaz.
corona zaman.
एतराज
Ehteraz, okay, everyone,
एतराज
okay, everyone in Qatar, okay, ehteraz. What is ehteraz? Okay, precaution. Ehteraz, okay. Doctora ay ehteraz. So any precaution ay ehteraz, okay. I احتراز okay. Don't eat rice and don't drink Pepsi Cola. Don't drink soft drink. And soft drink, what is a mashroob? Any mashrubat or Pepsi Cola. Yes. So don't eat rice.
किल
Don't eat rice.
Mhm.
La akil aruz.
किल अरूस
La akil aruz. Simple. La akil aruz. Okay. And don't drink Pepsi Cola.
لا أشرب
La
पेप्सी
sharab
No,
Pepsi.
la tashrab. No, la tashrab.
لا تشرب
Okay.
La
So
tashrab
actually
Pepsi.
la akil word is a informal. It's okay. It's informal. لا تغير, never change. La akil. But la tashrab word is a formal word. No use in informal. So you say la tashrab. La tashrab. Addressing male. How do you addressing female?
La tashribin.
No, not bean. Just tashrabi.
Tashrabi.
Okay. La tashrab. La tashrab and la tashrabi. La tashrabi. Okay. So la kil aruz or la tashrab Pepsi Gola. Mumtaz. Okay. So أي اعتراض ما في مشكلة. Okay. Suppose suppose if you feel any problem and do you have any problem? So do you have any problem? So if do you have either. So if do you have any problem, you can call me anytime. Suppose you can call me. Okay, do you have
Ittasil
if do you have any problem? If do you have any problem, either.
iza anta fi
أي مشكلة. إذا أنت
ay
في أي
mush
مشكلة. إذا
ittasil ittasili.
yes. إذا أنت في أي مشكلة. إذا أنت في أي مشكلة. إذا أنت في أي مشكلة. Okay. إذا أنت في أي مشكلة. So visit again. Suppose first is إذا أنت في أي مشكلة. Visit again.
Sun marratani.
زر مرة ثاني. zur maratani, or adjective female?
Zurti
Zuri,
Zuri.
zuri,
Marrat.
zuri, zur and zuri. Okay, male is zur, male is just zur, zur and zuri. Zuri maratani, zur maratani, or zuri maratani. Okay, zuri maratani. Uh, uh, okay, so eat this medicine. Okay, no need to come again. Okay, okay. Second. You can, if you إذا أنت في أي مشكلة, you can call me anytime. You can call me.
إذا أنت في أي مشكلة
Mhm.
اتصل لي.
ممكن to say you
اتصل
can
لي.
call. ممكن ممكن
ممكن.
ممكن
ممكن
Mhm. ممكن يتصل ممكن
تصل
يتصل ممكن يتصل بي ممكن يتصل
بي
بي or you can say female ممكن يتصلي بي يتصلي بي. Okay, see here, and say female ممكن يتصل بي, you can call me. Okay, and ممكن يتصلي بي. So you can call, actually is ممكن not يتصل is تتصل, sorry, تتصل not يتصل. يتصل means imperative voice, just call. Okay, تتصل. So ممكن تتصل ممكن تتصل بي or ممكن تتصلي بي. Okay, تتصلي تتصلي بي تتصلي. तो ممكن تتصل بي और ممكن تتصلي بي. And just استتصل word is a just only call. But with ممكن is ممكن تتصل بي and ممكن تتصلي بي. Okay, and اتصل means you can call. Okay, no need to come again. Okay, just take this medicine, no need to come again.
لا تحتاج.
So eat
لا
this, eat this medicine, eat this
أكل
medicine.
هذا دواء.
أكل. Okay, أكل هذا
هذا
دواء.
دواء.
أكل هذا دواء. أيوة, أكل هذا دواء.
لا لا
No need to
تحتاج.
come again.
لا تحتاج.
لا okay, you can say لا تحتاج.
زر
لا
مرة ثانية.
no, yes, لا تحتاج.
زر لي زر.
तो if you say لا تحتاج, use always إلى. لا تحتاج إلى إلى لا تحتاج إلى 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 تزور. Okay,
لا تزور.
لا تحتاج إلى تزور مرة ثانية. مرة but this sentence is a literal. لا تحتاج إلى تزور مرة ثانية. But you can say here is a very common expression. لا حاجة لا حاجة لا حاجة.
لا حاجة.
Okay, this is حاجة حاجة لا حاجة لا حاجة يجي simple. Okay, لا حاجة يجي مرة ثانية. So very common expression. Okay, لا تحتاج إلى تزور مرة ثانية is a literal. Okay, you can use some time. Okay, if you have confident you can use it. Okay, but is a simple sentence. لا حاجة يجي مرة ثانية. لا حاجة يجي مرة ثانية. Simple. لا حاجة يجي مرة ثانية. لا حاجة يجي مرة ثانية. دكتور, how to eat or how to have this medicine? دكتور, how to eat medicine?
كيف.
كيف, not don't say كيف, كيف كيف.
أكل هذا دواء.
Okay, كيف أكل هذا الدواء؟ دكتورة, يا دكتورة, كيف أكل هذا الدواء? Okay, you can say just ask with water. Okay, this what time I eat this medicine? What time?
شنو وقت.
Okay, شنو وقت. Okay, شنو وقت أكل
أكل
هذا
هذا.
الدواء. Okay, suppose he is saying okay, before suppose after eating.
قبل طعام.
قبل तो पहले देखा.
Okay, after eating.
बाद ताम.
بعد أكل.
Okay, bath time. Okay, suppose 2 time in a day. 2 time in a day.
in a day.
2 time.
اثنين.
اثنين مرة. you can say مرتين. مرتين.
مرتين.
مرتين. مرتين في اليوم. في اليوم واحد. في يوم واحد. Okay, so مرتين في يوم واحد. Okay, مرتين في يوم واحد. Okay, after breakfast. Okay, and after breakfast and after dinner. Okay, after breakfast.
بعد وجبة वो
فطور.
فطور
بعد فطور.
بعد
بعد
فطور
بعد
الفطور
فطور.
and before dinner. So how to say?
قبل
وقبل العشاء.
قبل العشاء. عشاء.
قبل
قبل
العشاء.
العشاء. قبل العشاء. اوكي. سو كيف اكل؟ كيف اكل؟ بماء او باي شيء. كيف اكل؟ بماء او باي شيء؟ بماء.
بماء بماء
بماء. بماء حار او بارد؟
بارد
بارد. نو ما في بالماء. لا بالماء. اوكي. with milk.
مع حليب
ما حليب. اوكي. حليب حار او بارد؟
بارد
بارد. حليب بارد. ما حليب بارد. ما حليب بارد اما حليب حار. اوكي. حليب بسكر او بدون سكر؟
بدون سكر
okay. Suppose with sugar is also work. Okay. And here is also with sugar is also will also work.
اوكي مع سكر
ما سكر.
مع سكر
So very
ماشي
simple. ماشي. Yes, this is very common one. Okay. ما سكر ايضا ماشي. Okay. ما سكر ماشي ايضا also.
ماشي
ما سكر ماشي ايضا. Okay. And one more word is also I heard many times. Okay. شغال. Okay. ما سكر ايضا ما سكر شغال ايضا. चलेगा. شغال will work. Okay. شغال. ماشي means will walk. चलेगा. And شغال means will work. Okay. So you can use both word. Okay. ما سكر شغال ايضا and ما سكر ماشي ايضا. So शगाल. So you want to say something about something. Okay. is चलेगा माशी और will work काम करेगा शगाल. Okay. शगाल. Okay. هذا शगाल चलेगा और هذا माशी चलेगा. هذا शगाल will work. Okay. चलेगा. So both meaning is शगाल और माशी. मुमताज. Okay. Yes دكتور. कम where do I pay? How to say where do I pay fees?
فين أدفن
And فين أدفع. فين أدفع رسوم. فين أدفع رسوم. رسوم means fees. Okay. رسوم. Right. رسوم. So فين أدفع رسوم. فين أدفع رسوم. Counter. And counter word is أداد. Counter is أداد. Okay. So when أدفع رسوم. Okay. إدفع. So just pay word is إدفع. إدفع pay. إدفع is إدفع على عداد. إدفع على
على
عداد. إدفع على عداد. Okay. So إدفع على عداد. Okay. So okay. Thanks doctor.
شكرا
شكرا دكتور and شكرا دكتورة. Okay. شكرا دكتورة. Or you can say شكرا. You can say مشكور also. مشكورة and مشكورة. Okay. So شفاك الله قريبا. شفاك الله عاجلا. Okay. So okay. Take medicine and if you have any problem just call me. How to say? Take medicine and if you have any problem call me. Okay. خذ
دواء
और अक्ल दवा. Okay. خذ दवा और अक्ल दवा. If you have any problem.
إذا أنت أي مشكلة
أي مشكلة call me. اتصل بي. اتصل.
تتصل بي
اتصل. No اتصل. No is order right? Is أمر. اتصل بي. اتصل بي or اتصلي بي. Male or female. Okay. So اتصل بي. So male is اتصل بي. اتصل بي. Okay. तो اتصل بي और اتصلي بي. اتصل بي और اتصلي بي. So call me. اتصل بي. Okay. So I am available on mobile. Okay. This is my mobile number. I am available on mobile. I am available.
هذا رقم جوال
I am available.
أنا موجود
Yes. أنا موجود और أنا موجودة simple. أنا موجود. Male or female. أنا موجود or أنا موجودة. okay, أنا موجودة. أنا موجودة. okay, أنا موجودة على جوال. This is my mobile number. هذا رقم جوالي. And for 24 hours. For 24 hours.
ل24 ساعة.
ساعة. okay, ل 24 ساعة. ل 24 ساعة. okay. يس شفاك الله شفاك الله قريبا. اوكي سو نختم هنا درس اليوم ان شاء الله. इसका दूसरा पार्ट भी करेंगे सैटरडे को. इसको और भी करना है, आगे करना है इसमें. इसमें और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. हाउ डू फील नाउ. ओके यू आर विजिटिंग सेकंड टाइम. ओके तो डॉक्टर आस्किंग यू सेकंड टाइम हाउ फील नाउ सेम थिंग. ओके तो इसको हम और एक्सटेंड करेंगे इसी टॉपिक को अपॉइंट विद द डॉक्टर और विल कंटिन्यू ऑन सैटरडे. ओके इंदा का सवाल सईद शफीक. इंदा का सवाल.
لا لا شكرا.
لا شكرا مشكور. سيدة عندك أي سؤال؟
لا
لا
شكرا.
شكرا مشكور. اوكي يعطيك العافية.
الله يخليك.
الله
الله
يخليك.
يحييك الله يخليك. اوكي شوفك اشوفك يوم السبت ان شاء الله. اوكي مع
إن
السلامة.
شاء الله.
الى اللقاء. مع السلامة. الى اللقاء. السلام عليكم.